No, it's no problem if there's no light. The problem is it's no bathroom there. So that's its number one ano, problem. When you go a place, it's not there's no bathroom. Maybe if you go forest, it's okay because everywhere you can poop. Yeah, you just another soil, just like just make a hole where you poop, and after you poop, you just cover again the soil. We do that before in the province we grow up. Where we grow up, yeah, we do always that. We don't have bathroom. We s- we live in there.